أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Blessed February 2, 22 to greetings from President of SAMS TQLMA Club, Dr. Mufaddal Mirza, engaged in building Saadah, SAMS Wheel of Life, Palm School communities in global university campuses, and SAMS Energime University Climate Smart campus towns in dairy farm of British Columbia and Dallas, coffee farms of Vietnam, and in number of viable sites available in global destinations of our planet. Everybody can participate in our program by joining SAMS TQLMA Club with 10 pure gold coins, 20 Canadian dollars, and enrolling mothers in Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Entrepreneurship 5300 PGC program to own a home and enjoy sustainable income in 1,000 days. Pass on this message to everyone and let us enjoy inflation-free total quality life in our SAMS Energime University Climate Smart campus towns. So everyone can join our program with 10 pure gold coins, 20 Canadian dollars to enjoy this wonderful life, which in our SAMS, Wheel of Life Palm School 700 home self-sustaining communities, which we will be building, in Karachi. Multiple sites are there in Karachi. We are our trust, which we are establishing, will be adopting Pakistan Machine Tool Factory, and that factory, which is close to the cattle colony of Landi, gets transformed into the first SAMS Energime University Climate Smart campus towns, where all the components of SAMS Wheel of Life, farm school, self-sustaining communities, and campus towns can be built, can be manufactured. So everything will be manufactured in Pakistan Machine Tool Factory, and then the components will be shipped out to all different locations so that it can be quickly assembled. And using agile engineering, these facilities will come up very, very fast. We have capability of building about 1,000 homes a day from one unit. Okay, so if you have multiple units like this, like Pakistan Machine Tool Factory established, then we can make multiple number of homes very, very fast. And we want to make sure that everyone lives in a nice, clean home to really combat this COVID-19, this stealth Omicron variant. We control that, and then we live and enjoy inflation-free total quality life in all these sites of our planet. Thank you very much. Pass on this message to everyone, and let's immediately enroll yourself in SAMS TQLMA Club, enroll your mothers in GEMBA and Climate Smart Entrepreneurship, and initiate this wonderful journey of climate smart entrepreneurship with traction. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammadin wa barik sallim wa rahmataraham kama sallaita wa sallam ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.